Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, Samantha Pollack. I'm back with another video. I'm gonna finger detangle for the first time. So normally on wash day I start with finger detangling, but then I end up using the wide tooth comb or the diamond brush. But today I'm gonna try to use my fingers only, no tools. But I'm only gonna do it on this section, on this side, if I have the patience. You know. But first, let me show you my t-shirts. Yes, Jadore my curls. Yes. Yes. I will leave the link all in the description box. Okay. You already know, join the family, join the crew, subscribe, like, share, comment, everything. Okay. Let's get started. So I've already detangled this side of my hair with a wide tooth comb and my diamond brush. Because I'm not in the shower, obviously I'm not gonna use a conditioner. I'm gonna use the Kento coil comb detangler and the conditioning creamy hair lotion. Just to give you guys a little bit information about this wash and go, it's about 3 days old. This wash and go is not too old, so I think that finger detangling will go a little bit easier than doing it on a 7 days or 8 days old wash and go. You will struggle. I already see tangles. So it's important to work with small sections, and I always start in the back on my left section because this is the area where I have a lot of problems. This section is always the driest. One thing I never do is finger detangle on dry hair. I know some people do, but finger detangling is a long process. I'm not gonna make it longer. No. And now I'm just make sure that all of my strands are coated with water. And now I'm using the detangler. I'm using a little bit of the hair lotion. All I'm doing now is smoothing the hair and place my thumb between the strands. Also, what I love to do is separate the hair like this. And now that all the big tangles are out, I can finger detangle. I apply a little bit more of the lotion because I wanna twist my hair. Last one, yes. That was that. As you see, the twists on this section are a little bit smaller because you want to be gentle and take your time while finger detangling. So I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new. If you did, please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!